Hello, my name is Matthew Collins, and this is how to make weird sounds with two cell phones. First off, you will need two cell phones. Get the phone numbers of one of them and put it into this one. We will call it phone number 1. Call the second phone, which is phone number 2, and put it on speakerphone. When the call arrives to phone number 2, it will ring and you will answer. Talk into this one and it will make strange sounds on the speakerphone. It's better than Blue Man Group, isn't it? To stop the strange noises, just end the call.